mfowethu yazi ukhuluma ivara mfowethu disappointed ngoba njengoba sithole le draw bese expect iwin sonke mfowethu khane besizo celebrate asazi usiyayiceda la manje sekuyimasu ukuthi kumele siye embombela so support ama-Giants njengama fans akumelanga vele sicomplain or sithi siblame abani or bani lapha egroundini siyamukela mfowethu it's all about i-lose i-win or i-draw so vele sizoyamukela asizojabulela i-draw njengabanye abayihlazo la kule league lesikuyo angeke ngize ngibamenshine nangegama because khona abazodlalela vele just ukuthi bona badlala for the sake of ukuthi bakhona eligini ayikho nje into bafuna ukuyi-achieve or ukusurvive i-relegation nokungena ku-top 8 nje kuphela into abayifunayo.
Mamela Malankane ne. Looking at Orlando Pirates, probably today thole up close to 10 corners if not more, but they couldn't convert okushoyo ukuthi bawathola ama-opportunities. What is it that you think ebayenza ukuthi bangakore today?
Mfowethu yabona ukudlala ukanje udlala under pressure mfowethu uyabona wonke umdlali bekakhabela epalini bekakhaba ngenhliziyo bosobona ukuthi vele amajita ayayifuna le win akusukuthi mhlambe bekamista ngoba uzothi uyinkomo or kanjani angeke ize siblame mfowethu ukuthi vele nje amajita bekayifuna le win line mfowethu ayikho into edlula leyo vele
ama predictions wakho for next week eMbombela, what's going to happen? Who is going to win the league? Who is going to be relegated? The league maphela
mfowethu ukuringa ivar ne i-orbit angali yona iyafuna ukusurvive mara ibhekane nento enzima manje mfowethu because sekuyi-must win for thina ke lena it's obvious soyibulala bafowethu angizokhuluma amanga njengalapho abaminyile sikuyodlala i-draw or in next week i-must win le so ibheja sonke thina esibhejayo vele isibheja ibhola kuyoba kuyi-must win le vele siyowina amagoli vele angeke ngize ngipredict ukuthi ngakhe mara obvious vele soyibulala le team le
mfowethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ucela sivale.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you mfowethu. PSL Pulse, please subscribe bafethu. Danko.